Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It filters toxins, processes nutrients, breaks down fats, and supports your immune system. But when your liver starts to fail, it often gives off subtle warning signs, long before major damage occurs. In the United States, liver problems are on the rise due to poor diet, alcohol consumption, obesity, and medications. In today's video, we'll reveal 7 early signs your liver might be in trouble and what you can do to support your liver naturally. 1. Fatigue and weakness. Feeling tired all the time? Chronic fatigue can be an early sign of liver dysfunction. When your liver isn't filtering toxins properly, your body spends more energy compensating, making you feel drained. 2. Yellow skin or eyes. Jaundice. This yellowing happens when bilirubin builds up in your blood. It's one of the most visible and serious early signs of liver trouble. Don't ignore it. It requires immediate medical attention. 3. Abdominal discomfort or pain, especially upper right side. A swollen, fatty, or inflamed liver can cause dull or sharp pain under your ribs. If it's persistent, don't wait. Get it checked. 4. Unexplained weight gain or loss. If you're gaining belly fat or losing weight without diet changes, your liver might not be processing nutrients or fat correctly. 5. Dark urine or pale stools. Changes in your urine or stool color, like very dark yellow urine or light-colored stool, can indicate problems with bile flow or liver enzyme levels. 6. Skin itching or rashes. Liver dysfunction can cause a buildup of bile salts under the skin, leading to constant itching or patchy rashes, especially on arms, legs, and back. 7. Brain fog or confusion. When toxins build up in your bloodstream due to poor liver function, it can affect your brain. You may feel forgetful, unfocused, or confused. What you can do. If you're experiencing 2 or more of these symptoms, don't panic, but do take action. Start by reducing processed foods, alcohol, and sugar. Eat liver-friendly foods like leafy greens, beets, garlic, turmeric, lemon water, and healthy fats like olive oil and avocado. Also, stay hydrated and get regular checkups, especially if you take daily medications. Your liver has an amazing ability to heal, but only if you support it early. Don't wait until it's too late. Thanks for watching Inner Vitality, where we bring you natural health education designed for the modern American lifestyle. Subscribe now for weekly videos on holistic health, diet, and wellness.